Hi everyone, and welcome to day 3 of your advanced 7-day stretching program. Today we're going to be working the core, we're going to be tightening, we're going to be loosening, we're going to be stretching, hopefully feeling taller and a lot more flexible by the end of today's session. So grab yourself a mat if you have one, and if not, meet me on the floor and we're about to get started. So come up onto your knees and place one leg out to the side. Both hands are going to come up and we're just going to go in towards our leg and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and back up. And again, we're going to do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back up. And in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last time. Ready? Down, 2, 3, 4, 5 and come up. Brilliant, good stuff. Okay, we're going to switch sides. So this leg comes in, opposite leg comes out, and arms come above your head, and we're going to go down to this leg. So ready? 5 times for 5 seconds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And back up. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back up. Good. And again. 3 more times. Perfect. And come up. 2 more times. Good. And last one. 5 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay, from there we're going to make our way onto our feet and continue in the same kind of exercise, working the stability but also the core strength and flexibility. We're going to be doing a side leg raise, but at the same time we're going to be going in to meet that leg. So watch, one arm comes up and then the opposite leg is going to come out to the side. So here, nice and controlled. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 8 in total. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. And we're going to switch sides. So opposite arm comes up and we're going to work the opposite leg this time. Ready? And 1. Good. 2, 3, 8 in total. 4, 5, 6, good. 7, last one. 8, good. Perfect. Good. Okay, move your legs slightly wider apart, and from here we're going to come up, hands at our temples again, and we're going to lean down to one side. So this is going to be the sequence. We're going to drop down to one side and then turn, pivot on that back foot, reach forward, pivot back, come back to where you started, and then up, and then we'll repeat that on the other side. So we're going to do that on 4 times on each side, and let's go. Hold for around 3 seconds in each pose. So down, 2, 3, across, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, and up. Good, and we're going to do that on the same other side. Down, 2, 3, across, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, and up. Good, 3 more times. Down, across, back, and up. Good. Down, across, back, and up. Perfect. Halfway. Down, across, back up, and standing. Good. Down. Good. Across. And back. And up. Perfect. Last time on each side. Down. Across. Back up. And standing. Good. Last time. Let's go. Down. Across. Back up. And standing. Very good job. Okay, this next exercise is going to work the stability, also the flexibility and the strength at the same time. Take it your own pace and feel free to adapt if need to, okay? So, you're going to start with your knee out to the side, as high as you can bring it, and then your hands come to your temple again, okay? We're going to go tap, cross, tap, tap, and then down, okay? Then the opposite leg comes up, find that balance, tap, cross, tap, tap, and down. We're going to aim to do 4 on each side. Ready, and knee up, and tap, 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 and down. Good. 1, 2, 3, and down. Perfect. Up, cross, cross, and down. Feel free to tap in between if you need to. So you can go here, down, up, and down. And then the stability can be something that you're working on in a later date, okay? Wherever you're comfortable and you're getting a good stretch, that's all that matters. Here, cross, cross, down. Here, cross, cross, down. Good, let's go. 1 more on each side. Tap, 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 down. Good. Tap, 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 down. Very, very good, guys. Okay, this time, you're gonna come down into like a tabletop. So squat down, bring your hands behind you, and then adjust your feet accordingly to get that flat belly here, which creates the tabletop. Okay, from here, you're gonna bring your knee in to your chest, straight back out, in, and then down. And we're gonna do 5 of them on each leg. Ready, and in, out, in, down, in, out, in, down, in, out, in, down. Perfect. Good. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Let's go, let's go. Push. Good stuff. Okay, come through. Very, very nice. Well done. Good stuff. Okay, so from there, we make our way round to the front, and we're going to put both legs out in front, nice and straight. Just going to work our pelvic floor muscle and also our lower abs, okay? So, first off, we're going to place our hands either side of our body, just in between our knee and our hips, to a place where you feel comfortable, okay? Now with this exercise, just take it gradually at your own pace and build up the strength organically, okay? So from here, first off, you can keep your feet and your legs on the floor and just really try and lift up your torso from the floor. So from here, I use my arms, my core strength, hold everything in and tight and push. Here. And try and hold for 5 seconds and down. Good. If you want to go 1 step further, you can lift all your legs and your torso, everything off the ground, okay? And it really requires good core strength. So from here, I tense, tighten all of my core, crunch everything together and lift. And hold for 5 seconds. And down. Good, so you choose at whichever level you're at, okay? And 2 more times. Ready? Lift. And down. Good, and 1 more time. Ready? Deep breath. And lift. And down, very good. Okay, this next exercise is very similar. We're gonna have our legs open this time. Same thing applies, but your hands are gonna go in front of you. And again, you're gonna lean into your hands, tighten up all through the core, into your hips, keep your legs nice and tense, and lift. And down, good. And the same thing, 2 more times, ready? Lift. And down, good. I'm going to attempt on this last one to lift all my legs off the floor, but if you're not ready for that yet, stay on the floor, keep those heels down, and ready, let's go. Good, that one's a hard one. Okay, moving on. Bring your legs in, cross your legs. So we're gonna do a big, big circle all the way around here and up to the center. And again, all the way around and up to the center. We'll do 2 more on each side, all the way around and back to the center. Good, last one on each side. Perfect. Good, very good. Okay, roll over onto your fronts for me. And come down to the floor. Put your hands either side of your chest, just under your armpits, and just come off the floor a few inches. Perfect. Hold. And relax. Come down. Deep breaths. And we're going to push up again, a little bit higher this time. And hold. And down. And deep breath in. And out. And push up even higher this time, as high as you can. Look up to the ceiling. Good, and release. Come back down. Perfect. We're just going to finish up with one more stretch in this position. If you bend both your legs in, and then you're going to find your ankles with your hands, like so. Okay, and kick up at the same time, and you'll get a nice arch in the back and also a good stretch through the abs. And come down. Good. We'll just do that one more time. And ready, up. Good. And relax. Perfect. If you'd like to come back up to seated. And that is your advanced day 3 core stretch and strengthener complete. I'll catch you tomorrow for a hip opening session. So until then, rest up for today, enjoy your day, have fun, stay happy and healthy, and I'll catch you in the morning. Take care, everybody.